So this is Tesla. It's going to add the trends. It is at a support. And I'm going to look at a 10-minute. It did break a couple of resistance here, this trend line, and also went above the heat map right here. So it still is struggling, but I think how this one acted, just like Netflix, there is support, right? It didn't go all the way down. Something held it up together to not fully go down, but it found the bottom. Just to mention, there is an FOMC meeting tomorrow, and Jay Powell will come out and talk about what they decided. So put that into account. But also at the same
Taking
time, go ahead.
Definitely take into account the J Powell meeting tomorrow, but like unless he surprises us all and doesn't say that he's gonna be raising rates sooner and faster, then like in that situation, the markets can potentially uptrend. But everyone's expecting the same thing, and that's why we've
Exactly.
been like in this situation past few days. The fear greed index is up. There's more fear right now, and it's all centered around the fact that Jay Powell's going to announce like the taper being sooner rather than later. Uh, all I'm gonna say on that is just a couple of things. First one is if we have a green free market slash open, little bit of green, that would be a great time to look at the UVXY. Uh, that's one to watch tomorrow morning. And just and also like just another trail of thought. I was reading this article last week where basically people were saying Jay Powell already leaked the news that the market about the fact that the Fed is planning to taper sooner and faster during his Senate hearing. Uh, and the markets immediately began to react to what he was saying during that Senate hearing. So if he comes out tomorrow and just basically reaffirms what he already said, what the market already has begun to price in, the fall might not be as big as it seems right now. You know what I mean? Like the news has already broken. The market's already begun to price in the higher rates. So it's not going to be a massive fall from the announcement and could potentially end up uptrending. But
That's a great point. Yep. Thank you for
I'll
bringing that up.
definitely keep that in mind in the morning. Yeah,
I,
no
I think
problem.
that's a great point because I think it's already priced in. Whatever that we know, they already know. We are anticipating that they are going to. Sorry. So we are anticipating a rate hike as well as an increase in tapering speed, right? So we're going to shrink the economy. Shrinking the economy means we are going to control inflation because that's the only way, right? Once we shrink the economy, that's the only way to control inflation. And we already know there's inflation. So I think, as what Ronnie has mentioned, I think it's already priced in unless he comes out with something crazy, then yeah, I think the market has already most likely have found the bottom. So as always, do your charts, look at the levels. I'm looking at all of the candles. Most of the candles I'm seeing right now, they're all doji candles. So they're all undecided. They're not strong bearish candles. Wait for the flow. See if you guys get a good entry. If there is pullback, we're probably getting ready for a Santa rally. So if you guys didn't get in today, that's fine. Save your capital to get into that Santa Claus rally, and make sure that you guys know your entry, as what I've shown you guys today in the live, how we did the Netflix and the Nvidia, as well as the Amazon, the Tesla, and all of the above. And yeah, so that's my message. I'm gonna go eat. I'm hungry. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Bon appetit.
See ya.